How to block Facebook from Chrome. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can block Facebook from Chrome. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over and open your Chrome. Next, you're going to head over and search for NextDNS. So simply go to the search bar, type in nextdns.io, and you will be redirected to a website that would look something like this in front of you. You're going to head over, click on try it now. The best thing about this website is that there's no sign up process. You can simply get it working with a simple click. Now, once you're redirected to an interface like this, you're going to click on parental control, and then you're going to simply click on add a website, app, or game. So once you do click on that, you'll be redirected to an interface where you'll be able to see numerous options. So if you're able to find Facebook over here, click on add. If not, you can simply click on deny list and type down the domain of Facebook. So the domain of Facebook is facebook.com. So I'm going to type that down and then click on go. Once done, the next thing is very important. You're going to click on setup. And then once you click on setup, you'll be able to see this option called as DNS over HTTPS. Long press on it, copy it, and next you're going to click on the three dots at the top right, scroll down, click on settings. After that, you're going to click on privacy and security. So once you click on that, you'll be redirected to privacy and security. Scroll down, click on use Secure DNS, click on choose another provider and paste your URL. So once you paste your URL, go to the search bar, type in facebook.com, and you should see that this site can't be reached. That means you have successfully blocked Facebook from Chrome. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.